With the problem number 9 here, right? The question is that an employer pays rupees 30 for each day a worker work and deducts rupees 5 for each day he is idle. At the end of 50 days, a worker gets rupees 450. For how many days did the worker remain idle? So we are supposed to find the idle number of days of a worker. Let us consider this, right? Let us consider like this way. So he is going to pay 30 rupees for each day he works. So working days, let me consider working day. So I'll consider it as an X, and idle I'll consider it as Y. Right, a total number of days is going to be 50 days. That is X plus Y. I'll consider it as a 50 days. Right, this I'll consider in equation 1. Right, now, so X means what? Then a working days. An employee is going to work, right? If he works, he is going to get 30 rupees. That is 30X. If he sits idle, he is going to get minus 5 plus, right, minus 5Y is equal to how many? How much he is going to get? He is going to get 450 rupees. Right, 30X plus into minus 5Y is equal to 450. Let me consider it as equation 2. Solving equation 1 and 2, you are going to get the answer, right? So let us go with this. 30X minus 5Y is equal to 450. Right, X plus Y is equal to 50. Here we are supposed to eliminate this, that is Y. Right, just multiply with 5 and add it. Multiply it with 5 and add. Right, see what happens here, 30, so this will become 5x, right, 5 into x, 5x, that is 35x, right, minus 5y, when you multiply y with 5 plus 5y you are going to get, so this will be cancelled, so this is going to be 450 and multiplied with 5, this will become 250, 450 plus 250, 450, 500, 700, so therefore x is equal to 700 by 35. Which is going to be, so 35 2s are 20 days. The number of working days is 20. Right, we know that, so that is x plus y is equal to 50. So therefore y is equal to 50 minus x, which is going to be 50 minus 20, 30 days he sits idle. So option B is the right one.